Hello, my name is Julian David. My last vacation were in Panama. Eh, I go to know Cinta Costera, in which is a place where you can do sport, exercises, and you can also find the financial part of Panama. I also know Amador, what is a place touristic where many tourists arrive to look at the boat, to dinner, to lunch, to acquire inclusive package. Uh, and it is a very think. I also know Casco Viejo where can we see how Panama was like before. In Ruinas de Panama, he is speaking about how it was in the past the construction and tell how was the war with United States. It is very curious the places. Albrook Mall. We can find many stores. The Albrook Mall has an animal theme, has with a carousel. It is the most big mall of Panama. In addition to very hall, is thematic with a different animal. Uh, Thank you very much for your attention.